Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And for a couple of months now, I've been trying to see if there's any activity on the CB channels. And I've tried various scanners, various antennas, and I think I got one transmission out of, probably 15 hours of listening and probably another 15 hours of monitoring. In the last couple of days, I've been off and on using SDR Uno and the memory bank from Mike Ladd, that has the CB channels all programmed in it, and I'm doing a scan, and there's just nothing there. And I just checked my antenna that I'm using, which I believe this is a discone antenna, so it's not specifically designed for CB. I checked it I've got it on a switch, and I can switch it to a TV to receive local over-the-air TV stations, and it's receiving fine. So it's not the antenna, at least from that standpoint. Of course, that's way up in a different frequency range than CB. I've used also my G5RV antenna, which is made mainly for the lower part of the HF band. So I've used that too. No results. So I don't know if I've got a setup problem or what. I've checked here. I'm on the right antenna. Sometimes that's wrong. So that's working. There is noise there, and that's all it is noise. We can, what was I'm trying to remember some of the active CB channels when I was on CB. I think around 13 or 14, we can stop this. So we can go to, let me turn that volume down. We can go to like channel, say 16. There's a little tiny signal right there. Let's see if that's 15. Nope. And it's noise. So, as you can see, we're pretty much showing the band there, and there's just noise, and that's it. I do not know what I'm doing wrong, or is it just in my area CB radio is kaput. Like I say, let me turn this down, off. I've tried different radios. I don't have a dedicated CB radio. I thought I had one left. I couldn't find it. I'm tempted. I looked on eBay and even on the local Craigslist to see if I could find a real inexpensive CB radio, something less than $25, just to rule out that possibility of that being the problem. Also, like I say, I don't have a dedicated CB antenna hooked up. I've got some somewhere that I used to use many years ago, but 27 megahertz. So these antennas that I'm trying should work. So if you got any suggestions, please let me know. I did notice, and that kind of prompted me to do this show this morning. I was looking on Amazon for radios to buy and review my shows, and there was a brand new CB radio. Let me just take a look here, and I'll tell you a little more about it. It's a Uniden model PRO 50 XL. It's over on my other computer. It's a 40-channel CB radio. I assume it's AM only, and it's on sale right now for $30. I mean, that sounds pretty reasonable. It's probably really small. It's got a digital display, and this is new. So I've been tempted to maybe get that and see, maybe it's just these like STR Una, whatever, I don't have set up properly to listen to CB. Maybe that's it. I'm really curious about what the status of CB radio is. I know somebody over on the other side of the bay who's heavy into CB, and he posts on, I think it's Facebook, and he puts a lot of posts on there about what's happening. And he talks about different channels being good for this or good for that. I can't get anything. So if you got any suggestions, or you can give me a report on CB radio in your area, I'd be interested. I'm not really that interested in CB radio except from the standpoint it's just another form of communications that maybe is useful in emergencies. Because we're coming up on hurricane season. Matter of fact, it started, the season unofficially or officially started about a week ago. And we've had some bad storms here this past week here in Clearwater, Florida. So, if you got any ideas, please drop a comment, or you can send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com. Have a great day. Bye-bye.